How many countries now in the world or in Southeast Asia are being preferred, or Afghan nationals are being preferred to be accepted? Ilan ito sila lahat at ilan ang naibigay sa atin? O baka naman ibinigay sa atin lahat, wala yung iba. It is shared responsibility. It is guaranteed under the UN Charter. We are supposed really to act with kindness to our people. But you know, that is a good statement only if there is no attendant dangers ahead. Mahirap yan. I cannot, there should be more. Hindi ko naman sinasabi ngayon na the outright we should not accept.